80% of beginners make this exact mistake. Watch closely and don't be one of them. And yes, there's a promo code hidden in this video. Stop loss and stop limit sound almost the same, but they behave very differently. Many beginners see the word stop and assume both orders protect them. Jane did the same thing. She set a stop limit thinking it was a stop loss. She felt totally safe, texted her boyfriend, did her nails, played with her dog. But the stop limit did nothing. When Jane finally looked at her screen again, her loss was already massive, and her weekend plans suddenly became much cheaper. Remember this, stop loss always executes your trade, but does not guarantee the exact price. It closes at the best available price to protect your account. Stop limit guarantees the price you want, but does not guarantee that the order will execute at all. If the market moves past your limit, you stay stuck in the trade. Think of it this way. Stop loss is a door that always opens. Stop limit is a door that opens only at one exact moment. Let's make it simple. You open a long position at $100 and set a stop loss at $90. If the price drops fast to $88, it's by gar. The stop loss executes. Your loss stays controlled. But if you used a stop limit at $90, the price could jump from $95 straight to $88. Your order never triggers, and the loss keeps growing. That's exactly what happened to Jane. So here's the rule. Use stop loss to protect your account. Use stop limit only if you're an advanced trader and you're willing to accept that the order may never execute. And one more important thing, not every platform offers stop limit. Margex doesn't. And that's actually safer for beginners. We explain the difference so you don't make this mistake on other platforms. Want to stay safe and trade smart? Check out the rest of our videos. Each one has a hidden promo code. Don't miss your bonus.